Hey guys, so I've got my whitening trace in, so I probably will have a pretty bad lisp, but I'm applying this Herbivore Blue Tansy mask. It's like literally the only thing I've done today, and I'm going to use this silicone brush, which I think is going to work better for this since it's just a like thin gel consistency. So it says to apply a thin layer. This one's all about clarity and resurfacing. I've heard some people say that they really hate the smell. It's a little strong, but it's not bad to me. And I have been so lazy today. I have not gotten a single thing done. I was watching The Killing still. I finished season 2, which in my opinion, if you watch The Killing and you watch season 1 and 2, you really watch like all the really good stuff. This is the first time I'm using this mask. I'm getting a little red. Like this is the first place I put it on was my chin. And I'm getting a little red. So I'm gonna wait a couple more minutes. It doesn't feel uncomfortable, but in a couple minutes, if it's not better, I'm probably gonna take it off. Yesterday was so weird because I was scheduled 1 to 10 on New Year's Day. And we actually closed at 6. And nobody knew it. So it was kind of weird because we're like, I got back from like my break, my lunch or dinner or whatever at 6 o'clock, and they're like, people are leaving and people are closing doors, and we're like, what's going on? It was a silly mistake, like somebody should have known. At any rate, so I wound up leaving at like 7:30 instead. I did put up my Bath & Body Works haul today. If you haven't seen that, I will link it down below. I got a lot of really good things. I have got a lot of candles. I'm going to go in my vanity room and try to get a few things in order because it really needs it. And then, I don't know, I think we're gonna watch the Deathly Hallows Part 1. We've been rewatching all the Harry Potter movies. I love them so much. They're so good. So I will probably just do that, and then I will get up early. I'm gonna film my Victoria's Secret haul in the morning. So I will put that up. You'll probably see that before this video, so I'll link that below as well. Hey guys, it's Thursday. I am at home. This is my day off, and I am sick, unfortunately. I started feeling like a sore throat, and now I just feel absolutely terrible today. So I haven't done much. I took some like NyQuil last night, and it knocked me out. So I slept over 11 hours, which probably meant that I needed it too, but still, like, I feel like I'm not productive now because I woke up after 10:30. It was very late, and so now I'm just like super lazy. I've just been watching some shows. I am going to get ready and film 2, possibly 3 videos. I did want to show you something. I got a few little things from Bath & Body Works from their semi-annual sale. I didn't get a whole lot, and I don't think I'm going to film another haul because I don't think I'm going to go back and spend that much. But I just thought I'd show you a few things. So I went in and I got snowflakes and cashmere shower gel. They didn't have the lotion in this or the body cream, and I would have picked that up too, but I just had to go with that, and it smells so good, nice and sweet. And then they had to put some more holiday stuff on sale. Got winter candy apple in the lotion and in the shower gel. So this is one I didn't pick up over the holidays, but it was like literally $3. They were 75% off, so I got those. And lastly, I picked up a few of these gift bags. I thought they were so cute with like the little wood design and the little tree tag. These were normally $3.50. I got them for 88 cents. So I got 3 of those. And that's all I got. I spent like $12. So not that much, not enough to do a haul. So I thought I'd leave it at that. I'm gonna finish the episode I'm on, and then I'm gonna shower, and I'm gonna film some videos for you guys. So I will talk to you later. Hey guys, it is Friday. It is about 5:30. I came home a couple hours early from work because I was just feeling so sick, and my skin's like freaking out too. You can see how red I am. So I just went ahead and showered, like a hot shower to kind of clear all this mess up, because I think it's just a cold. Just it feels like a really bad one. And that way I could wash my makeup off and give my skin a little rest. You can see how red I am, and it's really not that broken out. It's just like very reactive. I put a lot of moisturizer on because I was super dry. Check out my teeth because I've been using my Smile Brilliant and I've only been doing it like every other day, and I think it's really working. It looks so good, and only like the mildest sensitivity, and usually like my teeth are so sensitive to whitening products. So as long as I just do it every other day, and I have done it 2 days in a row, and that's when I got a little sensitive. If I do it every other day, I really don't have any sensitivity. So I'm loving it, and I don't think I've seen my teeth this white in years. But I got a late Christmas present that I want to show you. Little mug. You can see how cute it is, but I've got to show you guys. I'm gonna put in a little donut shop decaf. That's like my favorite decaf. My heart cannot take too much caffeine in one day, so I do decaf in the evenings. So I'm gonna change that to a 10. And I want to show you guys the little cup. I hope it's gonna do it justice on camera. So my boyfriend got this for me, and he expected it to be here a lot sooner. It just so happened that this came pretty late, but I feel super yucky, so this is actually the perfect day to get something like this. At first I was like, why is it so dark? And look how cute! When it gets hot, it like changes the color, so it's like a rainbow. So cute. And it actually, like, you can tell the eye is changing too, because the coffee like goes down into like the head of the cup. So how cute is that? So I'm gonna have some decaf and just relax on the couch until my boyfriend gets home. I don't know what I'll do then, but I'm definitely gonna take it easy because I want to get over this sickness. So I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, I'm in my bathroom again. It is Saturday and I've had the day off, but I'm sick. I think I told you. That's so disgusting. I started on antibiotics today, but I still feel really gross. And like I'm so dry. Hold on, baby. I'm so dry right now, but my skin is also breaking out. It's like a weird moment. So I have one of these little pods of the Josie Maran Argan detoxifying mask. So this is hydrating and detoxifying. And like this is the vanilla apricot. Like this is the best time because my skin is super dry, but I'm also like, my skin's freaking out at the same time. So why not do a little mask? I hear you, baby. Hold on, let me let you in. Come on. So I know this vlog has been super boring because I literally like went to work and then got sick. So woohoo. I know you guys are like, what the world? Anyway, if you like these type of boring, just regular life vlogs, I hope you're enjoying it. And I'm trying to get this on. It's a wild like pumpkin color. So I'm editing my Get Ready With Me, which will go up tonight. So you guys will see that before this goes up. There's just like a little casual one. I'll link it down below if you didn't happen to see it. Because I know like right now, if you don't have notifications on, there's a good chance you're not seeing the majority of the videos that I put up. Because I know YouTube is just a weird place right now. You may see it, you may not, who knows. This little silicone spatula brush I got from Wish is actually really handy for any like mask like this. It's kind of creamy. It's actually really great. And I think I paid like $1 for it. You can just search for like silicone makeup brush or something like that and it'll come up. I've got some really cool things coming up though, different videos. So I'm gonna be filming my Rose Gal video because they sent me some more clothes to try, so I'm gonna show you guys that. And I actually really like everything, which I think I've mentioned before. And then I'm gonna be getting a Japanese beauty box sent to me that I will share with you guys on my channel and let you know what I think about it. It's supposed to have like any kind of beauty related product I'm gonna do that. They gave me a little like discount code for you guys. So I'm gonna make those videos, and I have a couple other things that I'm working on too. My Smile Brilliant I'm still doing, which I didn't do today because I didn't feel good. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. I know again it was just like a old boring one. I'm hopefully going to take a little trip to Atlanta when I have some days off. That's like around the 19th and 20th. So hopefully I'll show you guys like some shopping. I hope to go to IKEA and the Container Store, and then I don't know what else we might get into. Hey guys, I thought I would do one more little vlog clip since I'm not putting my vlog up until Monday. I did not realize how awful I sounded until I started talking. But I am at home. I was supposed to work 9 to 6 today, but instead I am off. We kind of rearranged things so that hopefully I can get better over my next 2 days of being off. And I'm basically just on the couch. Like, I've got tissues, I've got all sorts of medicine, and I'm drinking lots of water. I'm about to have some coffee because it helps my throat a lot. But sorry this vlog is going to be a little late. I know it's like completely boring. There's nothing happening. Hopefully my next vlog will be better. I need to get better first. So you're seeing this on Monday instead of Sunday if you're watching it when it's new. So I'm sorry about that. I'm just trying to get better. I have today and tomorrow to just rest and do nothing. So hopefully I'll be okay, because after that I have to work 5 days straight, at least 5 days straight, possibly even more. So it's kind of a rough one right now, but I am hopefully getting better. I started taking antibiotics. This is my 3rd day. So hopefully by day after tomorrow I'll be better. But I hope you guys enjoy watching this vlog, even though it was just like boring and nothing. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.